This episode is going to change the way that you see the laundry pickup and delivery business. You're never going to see the business the same way again. Now, I've always said that the laundry pickup and delivery business is a retention business, but that's just scratching the surface of it. It turns out it's all about the whales and the heavy hitters. Yes, you're going to get customers who order once or twice. In fact, most customers will only order once or twice. But the real money, the reason why we know at our laundromat that we're going to make over $100,000 every single month before the month even begins, is because we have a whole bunch of whales, a whole bunch of heavy hitters. We know that there's people that are going to order again and again and again. This business is heavily skewed towards repeat business. That's why if you're not paying attention to the customer journey and creating that pathway to retention, you're missing the essence and the core of the business. At Super Suds, back in September, we did an advertising campaign, multiple campaigns. We're the only software that has a return on advertising spend report, which you could see right here. And you could see the names of each customer who placed an order as a result of advertising, and you could even see the name of the advertising campaign as well. In the month of September, we brought in 9 brand new wash and fold pickup and delivery customers. Over half of them only ordered once or twice. So where did the real revenue come in? The real revenue came in from the top 3 customers who ordered 6 times or more. They brought in 75% of the total revenue. I don't care about one-off orders. I care about retention, because that's where the money's at. So out of these 9 customers that we got as the result of advertising, 3 of them came back again and again and again, and those 3 customers wound up spending $3,000 over the course of just 6 months. Let's take a deeper look. 2 of those new customers we got in September, they've ordered 34 times in 6 months. We did all that advertising not to get those 9 customers, we advertised to get those 2 customers. So if you're advertising just a little bit and you keep getting customers who are ordering once, you might not be advertising enough. You need to get more customers and you need to pay attention to the customer journey. So in the next episode, we're going to be spending more time talking about how to create that pathway for success, creating that customer journey where they go from prospects to creating an online account to actually placing an order, from placing an order to placing a second order. All that stuff is built into Curbside Laundries to help that customer journey progress. So make sure to subscribe and hit like so that way you're reminded about the next episode. Here's some of the customers we brought in from the previous month that we did advertising. And you could see one customer spent $775 and ordered 8 times. What would you rather have? One customer who ordered 8 times or 8 customers who ordered 1 time? And the answer is you'd rather have one customer ordered 8 times because guess what? That customer is going to order again and again. So those one-off orders, they're nice. You get $80 here, $100 there. But the reality is you're making your money on the customer retention, the heavy hitters, the whales, the people who have turned pickup and delivery into a habit. We've progressed so far from those point of sales that are just built around transactions, that just take the money and that's it. What we've done at Curbside is we handle the transaction, but more importantly, we handle the relationship. And we have it in our software to turn those prospects into paying customers. And that's where it really shows that we are laundry owners who built laundromat software versus just software folks who are just focused on the transaction. We're focused on the customer journey and helping you convert those prospects into paying customers, those one-time orders into multiple orders, because that's how you build your business. Also, if you'd like to learn directly from very successful pickup and delivery business owners, you need to come to the Curbside Conference between June 26th to 28th. And they'll be talking about how you attract new customers, how to create that customer journey, how to build retention. And we also have a top-notch branding expert, Sasha Strauss, who will be talking about branding and building that customer connection, making sure they remember who you are and what you represent to help you build your business and get those repeat customers. Because that's what this business is all about. You got to get the whales, you got to get the heavy hitters. Those one-off orders, they're nice, but that's not what keeps your business going. What keeps this business going is getting those top-notch customers who keep ordering again and again and again, and you need to have a strategy to cater to them and cultivate new ones. And if your point of sale is just handling transactions, you're operating blind. You don't know what your business is all about. You need software made by people who know the business to help you grow your business. To learn more about the Curbside Laundries wash and fold and point of sale solution, go to curbsidelaundries.com. And to read more and learn more about the conference, go to curbsidelaundries.com/conference.